have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Who is Mummy Papa's favorite?
Wow, Mummy, Barbie set. Wow. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you, Papa. I love you so much.
Are you happy now, Chinky beta?
I am very happy, Mummy.
Show me too. Wow, this is really very beautiful.
Gattu, don't touch. Otherwise my doll will get dirty.
Hey Chinky dear, the doll will not get dirty so soon. Let Gattu see too.
No, Papa. I am going to play with my doll first. Yay!
Chinky was very happy after getting the complete set of Barbie doll. But she did not even let Gattu touch her doll. Because of this, Gattu went aside and sat quietly. Mummy Papa understood after seeing Gattu's sad face.
Listen, I think we should have bought something for Gattu as well. Look how he has become a little sad after seeing Chinky's doll.
No, he got a football last week only.
Yes, but now please go and bring something for Gattu also.
Papa went out on Mummy's insistence. And after a while, Chinky came near Gattu and said,
Did you see? Mummy Papa loves me so much.
Yes, so what? They love me too.
But they love me more than you, Gattu. That is for sure.
Gattu got angry after hearing this from Chinky. And in anger, he went to Mummy and said,
Mummy, do you love Chinky more and me less?
Hearing Gattu's words, Mummy smiled a little and then leaving all work, she said,
Hey dear, what kind of question is this? I love both of you equally. Then why did you bring such a big Barbie set for Chinky? Oh dear.
Mummy was trying to explain to Gattu, but just then Papa came inside the house calling Gattu's name. Gattu dear, come fast. See what I have brought for you. Gattu ran fast and reached the door and was happy to see a box in Papa's hand.
Papa, what is this? What have you bought for me?
Gattu, open it and see. Gattu quickly opened the box and jumped out happily.
Wow, chocolate cake. This is my favorite.
Gattu forgot everything and started eating the cake. After eating the cake, Gattu went to his room and happily told Chinky,
Did you see? Mummy Papa loves me too. Papa brought me my favorite cake. You did not give me your doll, so I also will not give you my cake. Yay, yay, yay. It was very tasty. The cake was yummy. Convinced you by giving the cake. Meaning, Papa had specially gone to get the cake for me, and Mummy also said that she loves both equally.
Mummy is right. She loves both, but she loves me a little more. Now you will get one more proof. Go to the kitchen and see what is being prepared for lunch today.
Gattu got angry again and once again went to Mummy and said,
Mummy, what have you prepared for lunch today? Today there is bhindi, roti and pulao in lunch. But why are you asking about lunch today, Gattu? But Mummy, all these things are Chinky's favorite. I have got the proof again. This means you really love Chinky more than me. Stop it, Gattu. What is this drama you're doing since morning? You just ate so much cake. That is why I cancelled your pasta and cooked healthy food. Understood? Now go and call everyone else for lunch.
Gattu became even more sad because of Mummy's scolding. And in anger, he said to Chinky,
I think you are right, Chinky. Maybe Mummy loves you more than me. But Papa loves me only. He brought me a football and today he brought a cake for me too.
Oh, Gattu, you are forgetting. They both have given me the Barbie set together. And Papa had specially taken half-day leave from office to buy a Barbie set for me. Both of them love me more.
Nope, Papa loves me more. We will get the proof soon. Let's go and ask Papa whether he will go and play football with me in the evening or will he go to leave you at the dance class.
Okay, let's go.
Gattu Chinky quickly went to Papa. And Gattu went and asked Papa at that very moment.
Papa, you remember the football match tonight? Will you come with me?
Papa looked at Gattu for a minute and said from the spot, Yes, dear, sure. We will go to play football in the evening. Be ready at 6 o'clock.
Yes!
Gattu came out and said to Chinky while teasing her.
Did you see? Papa loves me more than you. Wait a minute, let me ask him, then you will get a proof.
Now Chinky went to Papa and then asked him.
Papa, today my friend will not be able to come to dance class with me. Will you drop me for class today?
Sorry, Chinky dear. I will not be able to leave you, but I will find some solution. Chinky got angry after hearing Papa's answer and ran away from there in anger. Seeing Chinky, Gattu said,
See, did you get the proof? Yeah!
Just then Mummy calls out to everyone for lunch.
Lunch is ready, everyone come, the food is hot.
Gattu, Chinky, Mummy, Papa all sat on the dining table for lunch. But Chinky still had sadness in her eyes. What happened, Chinky dear? Now you got your favorite doll set too. Why are you sitting with your face down? Chinky answered Papa's questions in a very sad voice.
But you love Gattu more than anyone else. Then what is the use of the doll set?
Hearing this, Mummy's anger reached the seventh heaven. And she said to Gattu and Chinky while scolding them,
What are you both thinking since morning? Who do you love more and whom do you love less? I said no. We both love Gattu and Chinky equally. How can you love us equally, Mummy? Someone or the other will be your favorite. Oh God, how do I tell you that no Mummy Papa can choose their favorite among their children? They always love both the children equally.
Seeing Mummy getting angry, Papa handled the situation and said, Okay, I will give a solution to this problem. Chinky dear, you are soon going to know who is our favorite out of the two of you.
Good. Okay then, Papa. We both are ready.
Chinky, come here dear and tell me, out of which one of your eyes can you see better?
What kind of a question is this, Papa? I can see with both my eyes. Then how can I tell which one of my eyes shows me more or which one of my eyes shows me less?
No dear, you will have to choose one of the eye. Well, let us do one thing. Papa covered one of Chinky's eyes with his hand and then asked her, Now tell me Chinky dear, what are you seeing?
Papa, I can see the table, chair, food, Mummy, Gattu, all of these things.
Okay. After that, Papa covered Chinky's other eye with his hand and asked her again, Look Chinky dear, maybe you are seeing better with this eye? Tell me, what are you seeing?
What kind of question is this, Papa? I am seeing the same things with this eye too.
Now Papa removed his hand from Chinky's eyes and said, Dear, when you are not able to choose one from your two eyes, just like that we also cannot choose one out of you two.
Yes, just like you can see the same from both your eyes, similarly, you both are the same for us too. You both are like our eyes.
On hearing what Mummy Papa said, a big smile came on Chinky's face and Gattu jumped and hugged Mummy.
This means none of us is your favorite. You love both of us equally. Yay! Yes, dear.
Yes, dear. Both of us love both of you equally and very much.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.